Welcome back to TLF Talks. Today's episode is special because education is something that impacts every family. Please welcome our guest, Dr. Manju Jangid, who is a distinguished educationist with over 18 years of experience in teaching and school leadership. How challenging is the role of a principal?
Yes, of course, it is a challenge. Every career point is challenge.
Indian education system that we are having, is it actually changing?
Make two plans only, plan A and plan B. But now the multiple plans with the students.
That's true.
This is the risk factor for success of our students. तुम्हारा इंस्टा अकाउंट नहीं है, तुम्हारा फेसबुक अकाउंट नहीं है,
तुम्हारे पास फोन नहीं है.
So they are bullying like this.
What makes a leader a good leader?
I am a strict principal.
Okay. Doesn't look like.
मुझे है ना स्ट्रेस हो जाता है.
Oh my God. Class 3. What might be the age? Books or technology?
Books.
One subjects that you would love to teach today.
Business studies.
कि इसने किया है तो मुझे भी
करना है. In fact, if someone is not on social media,
yes,
then the peer pressure is like that.
Exactly.
कि तो
where's your account?
You are zero.
So first of all, ma'am, I would like to ask you a question about your journey. What has been the inspiration so far? And was education industry always your call, or like destiny happened and you decided that you need to be in this industry?
Hello, this is a very good question. Actually, this is the motivation for me also. Because if I talk about my journey as an educationist, yes, of course, everyone has not been like as a professional.
Yes.
When they will started their journey. But yes, of course, somewhere and something have motivated us to come in that kind of environment. If I talk about education area, yes, when I was a student of class 11th, since then my Hindi teacher was there. I remember her still now, and she is Dr. Neelam Sharma.
Okay.
Yes, and she always said me, because once she said me, "Ke Manju, you stand up and read this poem."
Okay.
Then I started reading. Again, after 1 week, she said me like the same, "Manju, you stand up and you will read this thing." On third time, she said me, "Manju, what I have seen you within 2 time of you just your script, your reading, I can assure you that you will be a good speaker. You will be a good speaker and you will be a good people influencer also." And she was doing her PhD on that moment.
Okay.
So then only I was able, because in the class 11th, nowadays students maybe they understand about the PhD, about the doctorate, about the qualification. When I was in class 11th, then nothing was been there. But still, I heard this name, doctorate, doctor, PhD, what is it, by them only. Okay. Then she told me, "Manju, I am going to Kurukshetra," because she was doing from the Kurukshetra University. So then she said me, "Manju, when I go, I'm going with my family, because the guide is there and they are taking so much time to finalizing the things and all, because there are so many particular points are there which they have to need to be discussed on it. They have to need to the change on it on the spot only.
Correct.
Because in that time there is no kind of technology is much.
True.
So all the things were in the pen and paper. So she used to tell me कि बेटा मैं जब जाती हूँ तो मैं एक बोरा भर के बुक्स लेके जाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
So how you think on it? मैं कहा, "मैम, how it's been possible for you?"
Exactly.
Then she told me, "If you have the willpower, then definitely you will do. You decide, then automatically the things will come to you." So then on that moment, I had the dream. Yes, of course. Whenever the God will give me the chance, definitely I will go for it. It means she encouraged me. She motivates me. Even she has given me my identity ki yes, I can be like this. Then only I was decided ki I will go in the education industry. That was my first day when I was 11th class student.
Okay.
Then only I decided this thing.
And
I have to go with my journey, with my destiny.
Yes.
But of course, yes, I have done my MBA also later on.
Okay.
I have completed my doctorate before 1.5 years back, not much year back. I have done my MBA in finance.
Okay.
I started my career in 2006 in corporates.
Okay.
I worked as a trainer in Max New York Life Insurance Company.
Okay.
I worked there as near about 4 years. But after being a family, every woman and every girl has this part. They have to play a role of mother also.
Correct.
So on that moment, I quit my corporate job.
Okay.
Then I started my career in education.
Okay.
Yes, of course. When I was doing my trainer job also, on the same moment I was taking lectures of BBA classes, BBA classes as a guest faculty.
Okay.
Because that is my passion. I cannot leave beyond that, because now I understood about myself that I am that kind of person. Those cannot be, ki good without the people.
You need people.
Yes,
Exactly.
I need people.
Correct.
I need something interaction. I need something so that we can discuss on it. It doesn't mean whether it is related to any particular topic, but yes, of course, I need the people to surrounding me so that we can communicate to each other on every aspect of life.
And I think, ma'am, that is a special God's gift. If you are, a good communicator and आपकी बातों से लोग influence होते हैं, so I really believe that is a blessing, right? Moving forward, ma'am, I would like to ask, आपका इतना diverse portfolio है, as you mentioned, you have been into corporates, then you have been into finance as well, and then from so many years you have been serving a role of a principal.
Yes.
So I would like to understand, इतनी सारी चीजें explore करने के बाद, how challenging is the role of a principal?
Yes, of course, it is a challenge, and I guess every career point is challenge.
That's right.
If there is no challenge, it means there is no learning. That is my perception. I started my career in education as a teacher.
Okay.
I worked as a PGT Commerce for near about 7 years. Then later on, I worked as a HOD Commerce.
Okay.
1.5 years. Then I worked as a headmistress for 3.5 years. And before 6 years back, I got this opportunity as a principal, and I thankful to God, they have given me this opportunity in my last same school.
Oh.
I worked as a HOD Commerce.
Okay, in that school.
In that school. When I left the school, and I went for a headmistress post in some other school.
Okay.
After 2.5 years, I got a call from my management.
Okay.
Ki Manju ma'am, now the vacancy is there for vice principal.
Okay.
If you wanted to come, so you can think on it.
Okay.
Because you are our own employee and we know better than others. Then I said, ki, sir, I'm not ready to come in for vice principal because I'm already independently working. I'm just handling my school till grade 10th independently. My management is coming randomly. They are not interfering me on the regular basis.
Correct.
तो then they said कि अच्छा मोदी जी बन के राज करना चाहते हो. मतलब he is politician little bit.
Okay.
And he is journalist also. तो उनके talks जो होते थे
वो directly link हो जाते थे.
तो then I said कि सर ऐसा नहीं है. I'm happy here. I don't want to become vice principal. If I'll change myself, then I will go for principal only. After 1 year, in the mid of September, they called me. Okay, Manju ma'am, now the vacancy is there. If you want it, so then you can talk to us. So then I went there and we had discussions. And then I joined as a principal. And one news was shocking for me. Ki yes, who was working as a principal over there? She was my coordinator, senior coordinator when I was HOD over there.
You got to know after joining, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Even 2-3 teachers were there.
Okay.
And they were colleague of mine earlier. And of course, now still they were working when I joined as a principal.
Okay, got it.
So then my management said ki, ma'am, they are the old persons which already in the system and you know better about them. Yes, sir, of course. Because I came out from that rush. I know each and everything. I know कि just like वो कहते हैं ना कि रग से वाकिफ होना.
बिल्कुल.
तो that I was aware about it.
Okay.
So then they told me कि now तो you can handle it.
You can manage.
You can handle. you go ahead.
Hmm.
On that moment, I talked to my earlier principal, and she was there when I was teacher over there.
Okay.
मैंने कहा मैम I got this opportunity with the God grace and of course with your
Mentorship,
guidance
yeah.
also, your support also. And she was very happy. Then she said, Manju, you don't need to worry. We know you can do and you should do. She has guided me 2 to 3 things little bit about these old candidates. Ki they are like this, because everyone knows about it on this chair. Ki what kind of thoughts they have.
Correct.
So then she suggested me you should go for it.
Okay.
On that time, I decided, okay, yes, now everything can be possible. Because if my elders
Are supporting you.
are supporting,
Have trust on you.
yes,
Exactly.
so then I can go ahead.
Okay.
On the same moment I started my journey, yes, of course, hurdles were there.
Obviously.
Even now also hurdles are there.
Obviously. Every day is a new day.
Every day hurdle is there. But my motive is always there. I should transparent with my senior. I should be honest with my senior. If I'll be honest, if I'll be transparent with them, no one can do anything for me.
That's true.
I adopted this method still now, because now I have been already completed my as a principal 6 years.
Okay.
The same fundamental I'm carrying with myself. And I believe in this, and I will follow this in my whole journey in my career. If I'll transparent, if I'll honest with my work, with my seniors, then nothing can happen with our careers.
Obviously, if you do justice to your work,
Yes.
work will always,
will
be,
always
there.
be there.
Correct.
I have already taken this, and yes, of course, challenging.
Obviously.
And even I believe in the challenging environment. If challenging environment is not there with us, it means we are not growing for us.
Correct. Learning stops.
Learning stops.
Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, to continue on this question only, because as far as students and everybody understand, a principal की जो एक image होती है, that is, that always everybody directly relates it to कि डर है.
डर है.
है ना? Whether it being parents, whether being students, teachers, everybody is like कि नहीं डर है. हमने अपने प्रिंसिपल्स को बिल्कुल ऐसे ही देखा था. बट मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ बिहाइंड द सीन्स क्या क्या होते हैं. एक प्रिंसिपल का डे टू डे लाइफ क्या क्या रहता है. उसको स्टूडेंट्स भी मैनेज करने हैं, उनको टीचर्स भी मैनेज करना है, उनको पेरेंट्स को भी मैनेज करना है. तो वो बिहाइंड द सीन सर्कल कैसा रहता है एज अ प्रिंसिपल?
As a principal, yes, of course, everybody have this mindset.
करेक्ट.
कि yes, she is the principal or he is the principal. इनके सामने हम नहीं कर सकते.
कैसे करेंगे? Yes.
But it is not been kind of this. If I talk about as a person, principal, yes, of course, when I'm in my office, then I am principal over there. But if I'm talking to any child in my office, then I'm not principal for this.
Okay.
Because that gives the comfort to the child so that they can, ki just share
Openly.
each and everything with me openly.
Correct.
And that kind of trust I have to build over there. Ki yes, you can share with me. The things will be here only. Then only they can be trust. Yes, even then, few students, they came every time wherever they suffer with their personal issue, with their family issue.
Okay.
And even they came in the, if I talk about seniors,
Okay.
10th class, 11th class, 9th class, 12th class. And so many times they cried in front of me. They disclosed in front of me their family culture, their family concerns, whatever challenges they are facing at their home. So personally, if I talk, it is a very good point for us. Yes, but of course, it is depend upon the person to person.
Correct. That's true.
How I'm handling, how someone is handling,
Exactly.
how trust I'm building in front of my parents, in front of my students.
Correct.
Then only they can be familiar with me.
Correct.
So personally, I have to go with them. I have to touch their heart, of course. Then only they can come to me. And this is the only reason. Yes, our parents, our students, they are connecting with me personally. They are free to talk me at any point of time.
Because they know
Yes.
that you have built that
Yes,
trust
yes,
with
yes,
them.
Yes. This is the matter of trust. This is the matter of handling.
Exactly.
Yes. Nothing else about this, because it depend upon the person to person how we are managing. But nowadays it needs more. Just for safety,
Correct.
just for counseling, just for support, environment, it should be there in more manner. Because earlier also it was not demanded, because when we were student then nothing like this कि नहीं हमें बैठना है principal ma'am के साथ जाके, we should discuss something about our families and all.
जाते नहीं थे मैम cabins में.
जाते नहीं थे. But now the time has been changed.
Yeah.
Even we also have been changed.
Yeah, because I guess now the students are more exposed. Even to career, to social media, and they have so many options.
So many options.
That
yes, of
उनके
course.
पास anxiety और depression में जाने के लिए option ही नहीं है.
Option ही नहीं है. In that only we can save the lives. Because we are sitting in that kind of environment.
Yes.
Then only we are able to do this. And of course the guidance needed. Everyone need the guidance.
Correct, and that's the role of a good principal, which you are serving very well. So, ma'am, to continue on this question, I would like to ask, do you think that is the Indian education system that we are having, is it actually changing, a student's mindset for better, or is it just running after academics?
Okay. If I talk about both the aspects, now Indian education system, of course, it has been changing. And it is changing drastically.
Correct.
There is no point to think on it.
Exactly.
Yes, how it has been there, how it has been changed. It's a kind of dream. We have just closed our eye, and if we opened our eye, then the system has been changed.
Correct.
For this system, there are positive aspects also, and risk has also been there.
That's right. Yeah.
If I talk about positive aspect, it has been like this, ki yes, of course, there are multiple career options for students. So that every student can get a good opportunity for himself and herself. Every student is able to present himself and herself in front of the career, in front of the competition.
Correct.
But if I talk about negative aspect and risk, now the students are being in the confusing.
Exactly.
Because the vast career opportunities are there.
Correct.
And they are not that kind of mindset nowadays ki which career is for me.
Correct.
Earlier, it was like this ki I have to go in this field. So I
Either
will prepare
doctor-
myself for this only.
Exactly.
But now, I think every student is aware about the career options.
Correct.
Earlier I have heard in my life, make two plans only, plan A and plan B. But now the multiple plans with the students.
That's true.
This is the risk factor for success of our students. As per their education system. Yes, it was earlier happen. In my student life, it was not like this.
There, yeah.
Okay, if a student choose commerce, so then they can opt physics also. It was not like that. We heard कि it was earlier, before us.
Okay.
But I haven't heard about it. Yes, but nowadays they are giving like this.
Okay.
Yes, of course. For few of students, it has been better. But the puzzle chances, the vast career options is there, and they are just, just misinformation they are getting.
Yeah, exactly. There is a buffet of options that they're having in front of them.
Yes.
Because earlier when we also studied, we had only 2-3 options in front of us. कि या तो doctor बन जाते हैं, teacher बन जाते हैं. These were the noble
these are
professions.
nobles.
Yeah,
These are
CA
the
बन
noble
जाते हैं.
professions,
But
CA.
now, and I guess it is a boon as well as a ban. Right? It is acting both for students. So to continue with this, ma'am, what actually should be the real purpose of education according to you?
My real purpose of education is कि my each child can perform his or her life in a very good way. I never believe in the academics and percentage and degree. I never believed. I never pointing my students except the board class because that is the board class and they have to cope
Exactly.
up,
They have to perform. Yeah.
perform well. Before that, I always said to my students, and even I believe also, if I'm talk about myself only, I'm not 80 or 90% students. I'm an average student. I was an average student, 70%, 65%, maybe 75%, not more than that.
Okay.
But it is a depend upon our skill, our interest, how I wanted to go. I always said to my students, you choose your interest. You should not go for a rush. I have to take this degree and this degree because I need it. If I have my own passion, if I have my own skill, then I can perform well in every area of the career.
Correct.
So by this way, if every student think, ma'am, because in this education system, this is the good approach. We can say this is holistic approach, holistic development. Holistic development gives this kind of thoughts.
Okay.
Because in the class, if I talk about, so all students are not same in academic.
Exactly.
But
Exactly.
but that is the motive of every child. They have to success in their life.
That's true.
How they can success in their
It's
life?
different.
How they can success in their life? That is the task of a school to identify, to promote, and to develop the skills for their career.
Okay. मैम what I've observed is कि जो students toppers होते हैं और they are very good in academics, they suffer more in life.
Yes.
What's your
yes.
take on that?
नहीं, that's why I have said this thing.
Yeah.
I'm not 90% achievers.
Exactly.
I was average subject in my average student in my class. In fact, if I talk about my student life, so those who were toppers in my class, if I see now, I don't know, maybe they were settled in career in a very ki higher note, and I'm not sure about it.
I know.
Because I feel as a student कि those were just saying like this ना कि इनके पास तो कोई और काम ही नहीं है.
Yes.
So they were like as a over smart,
Yeah.
but the actual picture
It's different.
is different.
Exactly.
कि who's the smart? I believe in smartness. I don't believe in over smart.
Obviously. Okay.
I have seen in my student life as well, and it is the nature of law.
Correct.
Because we all are human being, and it is inbuilt in human being कि yes, how we can say anything to at a particular point.
Okay.
Because I don't believe in words, I believe in my
Actions.
karma.
Yes.
I believe in my karmas because I always been like this, and my mother has given me this thing because I have no more my father since long time back. So my mother is my inspiration, and she always given this thing. If you have your own dream, then you will take a path. If you don't have any dream, wherever you will go, nothing is there. So you have to choose your dream. And yes, of course, for reaching the dream, we should choose our right path also, because there are no shortcuts.
True. तो सपने देखना बहुत जरूरी है और
बहुत जरूरी
सपनों
है.
के लिए काम करना
बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
बहुत जरूरी है.
ठीक है.
वो कहते हैं कि एक जब नदी पार करनी होती है तो देयर शुड बी अ मोटो. वन स्टोरी आई हर्ड. तो मतलब वन टीचर वाज देयर, गुरुजी.
ठीक है.
देन द शिष्य वाज देयर. देन गुरु आस्क्ड टू द शिष्य कि आपको ये नदी पार क्यों करनी है? तो कहते हैं मैं नदी को पार इस दिशा से कर सकता हूँ, इस दिशा से कर सकता हूँ, मैं नाव से भी पार कर सकता हूँ. But the student was not able to give answer of this question कि why you wanted to cross this river.
Exactly.
You have the willingness, you have the process, you have the way, you have the thought, you have the resources also.
Correct.
But you don't know why you have to cross this river. So this should be known at a very first point of time. As you asked my journey, when you have started, ma'am, if I talk about personally my journey, I have started my journey in the age of 12 years. In the age of 12 years, I started earning.
Okay. So inspiring.
I started my earning. I was doing stitching.
At the age of 12?
Yes. After 8th class grade, my mother sent me in a stitching center.
Oh, to teach, not to study?
No, to study.
Okay.
You go.
Okay.
You go and take the classes of stitching.
Okay.
And then you start.
Okay.
Within 2 to 3 months, I have done.
Okay.
Then later on, I started to do this task. And later on, after 6 months, I started to earn something. And in the grade of 11th and 12th, I started to tuitions classes at my home only.
Because you started enjoying what you were doing.
Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you were discussing about students, we need to discuss about parents as well, because obviously they shape the students, right? So when we are discussing about parents, ma'am, because agar buffet बच्चों के सामने है, then there is a buffet and career options in front of parents as well.
Also,
so I guess they are more confused now. So how they can create a healthy environment at home? Like what can be the good tip for them?
If I talk about as a healthy environment, so as a parent, they have to think about the child mentality first. They have to create a safe environment at the home also, because now there is a huge gap between the child and parent.
Exactly. Very true.
This is a huge gap right now. So nowadays they have to set their routine also as a parent. Then only they are able to give positive environment to the kids. If they don't have the routine, they cannot give the environment. Right now, I am sitting in this kind of community. I usually observe this thing. They have all the facility, but they don't have the time.
Yeah.
They have given the dedicated space for study and all, but they don't have the time to look after the child, whether they are doing or not.
What they are doing. Exactly.
So these kind of little things they have to carry with themselves. Then only the student can feel better. Even yes, of course, by the doing little steps also, they can give integrated learning to them. Because nowadays, no parent is ready to do the household course with the help of child.
Correct. That's true.
I always said to my students, if you are in grade 3, then you should iron your clothes at your own with the help of your mama. If you are in grade 5, then you should try कि you can give some little support to your mother at home. When you are going back to your home, then you should take care of your properly belongings.
True.
You can put your belongings at their particular place.
True.
And you should do this. Because by these only, they can be a self-disciplined.
Correct.
They can be connect somewhere.
Correct.
Ki yes, actually this is the task which our parents are doing for ourselves.
Exactly.
Otherwise, when they will be in the young age, they said like this to the parent, कि you are not doing anything special for me.
Exactly.
This is the parent's responsibility.
Correct. I understand.
So these kind of environment the parent have to give nowadays. I believe in emotions more than materialistic things.
Correct. Okay. Ma'am, there are some of the hidden challenges there are of schools as well, there are of students as well, then there are of teachers as well. So as a principal, and as you have spent so many years into this education and leadership industry, according to you, what is the biggest hidden challenge of a student?
Hidden challenges, if I talk about, of course, there are some kind of environment. Nowadays, mental health is a biggest challenge and hidden challenges because they are not able to tell each and everything to their parent.
Correct.
Somewhere it is depend upon environment.
Correct.
If I talk about their career, then of course, as I discussed with you, कि there are vast
Career options.
career options. So they are confused little bit. Next is the digital
Presence.
presence. That is the more you know कि just influensive challenges nowadays.
Correct.
Because digital education is giving, of course, both the part. But now maximum students are going on the risk side.
Correct.
They are not going on the positive side. They are going on the risk side. Because they are not in the correct age
Exactly. To understand
to
what's right
understand
and
what's
what's wrong.
right and what's wrong. Yes, digital platform is giving global networking. But they are not taking global networking in a professional way.
Correct.
They are taking in a other way. Ki yes, we can use this network
Exactly.
for our this benefit.
Exactly. Yes.
So this is happening. So these kind of challenges are nowadays, it has been there. And of course, somewhere safety also.
Okay.
Because cyber
Exactly. Cyber
bullying,
crimes. Correct.
cyber crimes, they are being there. And that is not good for students. Of course, that is not good for everyone. But the most, you know, ki just been part involving, if we see the survey data, that is the students only. Because if we talk about school students,
Correct.
if we talk about 10, 12-year age student, they are doing nonsense on the social platform. So they are involving their qualities for risk side, not for the positive side.
And when there's no guidance, when there is no
Yes.
right guidance on their head,
Guidance.
they obviously, because वो उस उम्र मतलब वो अपनी लाइफ की उस उम्र
उम्र
में होते
में
हैं.
होते हैं, they are not ready to listen.
Exactly.
They are not ready to listen.
Correct.
Because if parents are saying something, तो then they said कि आपका तो काम ही यही है. If teachers are giving this kind of guidance to them, then somewhere it can be, ठीक है, it's okay, fine.
And they're attracted to wrong things
Wrong
very
things
easily.
very easily, very
Right.
easily.
Because at that age, ma'am, I would like to ask you this as well, because बहुत सारी anxiety होता है, depression होता है
depression
बच्चों को.
होता है.
They're so much exposed now,
Exposed now.
because there's a lot of peer pressure on them.
Peer pressure.
कि इसने किया है तो मुझे भी ये
मुझे भी
करना
करना है. In fact, if someone is not on social media,
है. Yes.
then the peer pressure is like that.
Exactly.
कि तो
Where's your
मतलब
account?
you are zero.
Exactly. Yes, I understand that.
You are zero, and that is in class 5th and 6th been there. They are just bullying the kid.
Correct.
Okay, you are not on social media. तुम्हारा इंस्टा अकाउंट नहीं
नहीं
है,
है,
तुम्हारा फेसबुक अकाउंट नहीं है.
तुम्हारे पास फोन नहीं
फोन
है.
नहीं है.
Imagine.
So they are bullying like this.
Because when we were young and when we were in our schools, we were not this much exposed,
No,
obviously.
on that time, because the students are attracted by the wrong.
Exactly. वही.
Because
So-
they are not in the correct age. Right.
As a principal, ma'am, as a leader, how do you actually understand that this child might be going in the right direction? He or she can
Yes.
have anxiety. He or she is having depression. How do you understand?
Ma'am, if I talk about my 4th class, till grade 3, they have the different perspective. When they had entered in grade 4, because recent it was happened,
Okay.
2 or 3 days before, when they entered in 4, then they started to learn new words,
Okay.
new community words.
4th standard.
4th
imagine.
standard, 4th standard. Then my teacher, you know, ki listen from other, because 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 students are being favorite students of every teacher. Then they told to the teacher, my teacher told me, okay ma'am, this has been like this.
Okay.
It happened. So then I talked to the students, and of course 4th class student, they don't have their sense
Obviously.
कि कब हमें क्या बोलना
बोलना
है,
है,
कैसे
true.
बोलना है. Even we cannot trust on their talks also.
Exactly.
Because they don't know the particular things कि yes, this is for me, this is not for me.
Exactly.
Because their intentions was not like this. They heard something from any place, they speak out.
Correct.
Then I talked to their parent. I called the parent. 2 students' parent I called day before yesterday. Then I discussed with them. This is happening nowadays. If they told you something else, तो then one parent told me कि हाँ मैम मेरे बच्चे ने मुझे कल ही बताया है, बट वो भी तब बताया है जब स्कूल से कॉल आ गया है कि आपको स्कूल प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बुलाया है.
Imagine.
तो then I told, it's okay, but it's been a good sign. At least he told you. Okay, it happened in the class. So then I met with all the students. 4 students were involved.
Okay.
To this kind of speaking. So it was founded that they heard from seniors.
And they got influenced.
They got influenced. Ki, ma'am, we heard from bhaiya, we heard from didis, and they were in that kind of environment.
Correct.
And I just spoke to the parent also, ki what kind of things they are watching on phones.
Exactly.
How much time they are
on phone. Yeah.
They are on phone. How they are using. Is there any kind of accountability? Ki what kind of content they are looking.
Exactly.
What kind of content they are observing from the phone.
Correct.
For that purpose, the parent need to be take care of it. Because they are the only person at the home.
Correct.
They can stop on it.
Who's spending most of the time with them.
Because in the school nothing is there.
No phones are allowed.
No phones
yes,
are allowed.
Exactly.
So now the time has been totally changed.
Yeah.
It does not depend upon age also.
Correct. You imagine in 4th class,
it is not.
It
does not depend upon the age. It is depend upon our information gathering things, our information resources.
And ma'am, now we are so much dependent, even young students as well.
Students.
Like as you said, 4th and 5th class.
Yes.
We have been so much dependent because online education is there, and we have to grasp a lot of knowledgeable things. But along with that,
they are going for this thing. They are going because that is the attraction point, na?
Exactly.
That is the attraction point.
Imagine. So parents play a really important role in this concept.
Yes. Okay. And I believe in the parents' engagement.
As you said, you need to be transparent, even the student and also the parent with each other. Right? That's the only solution with which...
As a principal, I always done this. If I found something different in my student behavior, on the very same moment, I met with the parent. Okay, this is I am observing. Now you tell me what you are observing. If the observation is same of parent and mine, it means the things are different. I always did this thing, and even I believe in this.
Constant interaction with parents is very important.
Because I am also a parent.
Yeah.
If I am not able to get to know the things, okay, how my child is behaving in the school, from where I can get this information? Because I am able to see only in the home only, and there is no one to look after the things.
Correct.
Because a student is open with the friends, with the teachers. A teacher can get observation in a very good way because they are just been involving in every aspect. How the student is talking to the teacher, how the student is talking to the peers, how he or she is behaving with others. These kind of information the school part can give to the parent. Ki yes, it is happening, it has been observing since these days. So I think if school and parent, they both are connected, the child cannot go on the wrong path.
They need to be on the same page. for the holistic development of a child.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, do you think that the current AI models that we are having, lot of global competition we are having, do you think students are actually ready for that?
Students, if I talk about for 100%, it has not been like this. Not been like this. Because we were not in that kind of infra, technology,
Exactly.
like the things are coming up now.
Exactly. Yes.
For giving this kind of things to students, before student, as a schools, as a guide, we have to prepare ourselves first. Then only the student are able to cope up with the speed. Otherwise not. Because in every kind of competitions, if we see, okay, yes, this has been there and we have to do this task, we have to do this task. Because now lots of competitions are coming.
Exactly.
Now the culture is there. Earlier it was not
was
like
not
this.
there, true.
Universities are entering in the school.
Correct. Yes.
Even IITs are also entering in the schools. They are giving their competitions to the schools. Okay, yes, the student can go beyond that.
Correct.
So this is just because of the career options, nothing else. Okay, yes, the student are able to get the information now only in the school life.
Isn't it confusing the mindset of a student?
Yes, sometime.
Yes,
sometime
exactly.
sometime it's been confusing because I believe on the nature in which age we are,
Exactly.
our mind is like this.
True.
Because science works always, of course, but the nature have their own role.
So mind develops with age, obviously. Correct.
If a class 1 student is thinking about international,
Yeah. Correct.
so this is not the correct age. Again the same thing. Okay, yes, maybe they can be confused.
Exactly.
Maybe they can be, ki just be pointing of a more options. Maybe they can get misinformation.
Correct. 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 Correct.
वो एक है कहावत है कि अधूरा ज्ञान
ज़्यादा हानिकारक
ज़्यादा
होता है.
हानिकारक होता
Little
है.
knowledge is always yes,
Yes,
exactly.
yes.
So because what I understand, ma'am, हमारी उम्र में we were not even aware what is anxiety, what is depression.
Yes.
But now because of the peer pressure,
This is the career, ma'am.
Exactly. Yes. True. I completely agree with
This
you
is
on
the
this.
career. I always said my parent, because now the parents are also being like this. They are easily able to say, ma'am, my child can be depressed.
Imagine.
And on the same moment, somewhere I been angered on few of parent, because one parent told me in front of me, मैम अगर मेरा बच्चा सुसाइड कर ले तो.
Imagine. What was the standard? He must be in.
7th or 8th.
Imagine.
Then,
whole life
then I
is there.
scold. Literally I scolded the parent. मैंने कहा, are you a father? If you are saying this line in front of me, sir, I'm sorry to say you are not a father. That was my statement. मैं कहा, I don't know what you understand about me. How do you know me? It doesn't mean for me कि you are continuing with us or you are leaving us. It doesn't mean for me. But if as a father, you are saying this sentence in front of me, what kind of guidance you can give to your son?
Exactly. Imagine.
Then I told, I am unknown person in your life.
True.
I am your student principal, nothing else.
Nothing else, yeah.
I'm not your family member. I don't know about your family environment.
Correct.
I don't know about your child habits, what kind of habit he is using at the home, what you are doing with your son at home.
Exactly.
I don't know about it. And still, you are able to speak this sentence in front of unknown person for your son.
Imagine.
So then he stopped. Then he said, "Ma'am, sorry." Then I said, मैंने कहा सर आज आपने मेरे सामने तो ये बात बोल दी, बट कहीं ऐसा ना हो आपके बच्चे तक ये बात पहुंच जाए. मैंने कहा सर no one knows about the meaning of suicide.
Exactly.
We all are responsible to give these words
Into his brain.
into his brain.
Correct. Very true.
Ma'am, now the third class student, they know about the stress.
Imagine.
Last year I went in class 3. So then I just talked to on the personal way. My talks were always been like this. I never talked about their academics. I always talked about academics for grade 10 and grade 12.
12th, okay.
So in that time I spoke to them, my third class student, and they were very charming.
Class 3
Yes,
students, how would they
class
be?
3, and they always hugged me like as a mother
Okay.
when they met with me, few of them. And yes, they are behaving like as my child. So then I asked ki, is there any problem with you? Anyone? Any kind of problem? So then one girl said me कि मैम मुझे है ना स्ट्रेस हो जाता है.
Oh my God. Class 3. What might be the age?
Age, ma'am, near about 8
8,
years.
9 years,
8, 9
yeah,
years,
imagine.
8, 9 years. So then my few child, they were started laughing. Then I said, do you know the meaning of stress?
Stress, exactly.
तो then she said कि मैम होमवर्क जब मिलता है और होमवर्क मैं कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती हूँ तो मुझे स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. मैं कहा दिस इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेस.
What would you see after ages?
This is
What
not the
would you call
stress.
that exactly?
मैं कहा this is the pressure. This is the problem which you are taking at own. Otherwise nothing is this. Stress is not. मैंने कहा स्ट्रेस आपको पता है कौन बच्चा कहता है? मैं कहा स्ट्रेस तो हम भी नहीं कहेंगे कि दिस इज स्ट्रेस. मैंने कहा व्हाई इट इज बीन लाइक स्ट्रेस? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर वर्क ऑन टाइम.
Correct. Very true.
If you will do your work on time, nothing is stress. Why you are using this word? Then she said, मैम सब लोग ये कहते हैं मुझे स्ट्रेस हुआ है आज.
Imagine. So early students get influenced. So easily.
सब लोग कहते हैं कि आज ना स्ट्रेस हो गया है, आज हेडेक हो गया है, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड टुडे. सो we are responsible to give this kind of talks in this brain.
Exactly.
As a person, it doesn't mean we are teachers, we are principal, or we can be any person.
Anyone, yeah.
But we should speak in front of our youngers in a very limited.
Exactly.
We have to think on it.
Especially parents and the
Parents
people
and
who
the
live at
people.
home.
Yes.
Correct. All right, ma'am, to move further, I would like to ask you one question. That what is the biggest leadership lesson that you have learned in complete journey of yours?
Okay.
What makes a leader a good leader?
As if I talk personally, I'm a strict principal.
Okay. Doesn't look like. But you might be having a different personality in school.
Yes. So, I'm a strict principal, but strict for those only. There is a need. If I talk about personally, my perception is opposite. My profession way is different, my personal way is different. And as per me, a leader should be like open. Because yes, everyone can come to us.
Correct.
Everyone can share with us each and every aspect of their life, whether it is personal or professional, both. We should be a good listener as a leader. If a leader is not good listener, maybe in my opinion, that we cannot go. Because a leader can work with a team.
Correct.
If my team is with me, then only I am a leader. If my team is not with me, I'm not a leader.
Okay. Ma'am, as a principal, how do you actually maintain a good and a nurturing relationship with your teachers? Because maintaining teachers and complete management is also a task on principal, right?
This is the human skill.
Yeah. So how do you manage that?
Uh, if I just think about it, I usually be with them personally also. We just organized every month a small event for them.
Okay.
And we go outside for it also.
Okay.
So that their life also can be balanced.
Exactly. Because if it is challenging for students, it is challenging for teachers as well.
Yes. Because now everything is for student.
Yeah.
Nothing is for teachers. They are not safe. They are not safe, and no one is there for their safety. For child safety, everyone is there.
Very true. Very
But
true.
for teachers' safety, no one is there.
Yeah.
For their mental health, no one is there.
Exactly.
Because now the challenges are different.
True.
Now the education industry is not kind of education industry. Actually.
Yes.
Now this is a kind of business.
Very true.
Now the parents are thinking, yes, we are giving our kids to you. What you are doing.
You are doing, correct.
Why you have not done this? Now the parents are free to talk to the teacher at any point of time.
Earlier it was not.
Earlier it was not.
The respect was something else. Exactly.
Yes. Because they are not giving the respect to the teacher.
Obviously.
The parents are not treating the teachers as teachers. If parent has not been that, not all, but few of them. But if it is being started, so where the teachers are safe?
Exactly. I guess teachers are being more trolled.
Yes.
Even when they're doing good, even when they're doing
yes,
bad.
Of course.
At every point, yeah.
Every point. So for that only we have to, just conclude the things. We have to give that kind of environment to them, safe environment to them, healthy environment, so that they are able to drive their decision with provided data. This is a vision of a good leader. I should create a healthy and safe environment so that everyone is able to do as per their choice.
Correct.
If they are feeling something different, something uncomfortable, so then they can have this kind of mindset. Personally, we people as a leader, they are with us.
They should have that sense of security.
Yes, ma'am. During my 6 year of tenure as a principal, I never called any teacher in front of parent in my office. I never called. Always I said, whatever you are doing, you focus on your work. Try to do, as a leader, I will not listen any complaint by the parent side for you. But yes, of course, if it has been there, I will not call you, but you have to think on me also.
Obviously.
If you are thinking about me, you will not do anything wrong.
Correct. Very true.
Because I am thinking about you. Because there is nothing, any kind of rule in the books.
Yes. Right.
If someone had done the mistake, so as a leader, I can do this thing. Okay, yes, if any parent is sitting in front of me, so I should call the teacher. But I never did this.
Most of the principal does.
No, I never did. I never did. Even I will not.
Yeah.
Even I will not. Because I believe in myself. I believe in my parents also. Because I trust on them and they trust on me. This is the relationship building. This is the bond which I created in between my parent.
So, mental health of teachers as well is equally important as students.
That is
everyone,
equally
right?
important. That is equally important.
And a good principal, a good leader takes care of that, like Manju ma'am is doing. Ma'am, moving forward, I need to ask one question to you. That we all are aware abhi India mein kya situation chal rahi hai about the CJB protests, and like the graph has evolved like very drastically in the last 1 month, I would say. What is your take on that? Because this complete propaganda, this complete agenda is on education. So do you think that Indian education system is lacking somewhere, like this paper leaks and the complete reforms are there? Do you think kahin na kahin gap hai, and agar hai to how can one recover from that?
Yes, somewhere it has been there, but every gap can be filled. Because I believe in that statement, if the criticism is not there, someone cannot change.
True.
Because this is not the new statement. It has been followed. If any statement has been criticized by someone, then only the new statement can be generated.
Obviously.
So every gap can be filled by the reforms, by the actions, by the small changes. So we can cope up with the things in a very better way. Yes, of course. Now the Indian education is being extending in a more way. We have already started in schools, which other countries have been started. Because if I talk about few subjects, because earlier, which we didn't have the Kaushal Bodh, the vocational education in our Indian education system, and that is related to their skills. It was not earlier, but now it's been started, and it's been started from grade 6. So now education system is giving skills from 6th class student only.
Yeah.
Because all will not be engineers, all will not be lawyers, all will not be doctors,
True.
all will not be teachers. If someone wants to be on their own hands, so they should have any skill.
True.
Now the education is giving this kind of things also, so that student is able to get the opportunity, the skills. Like as if I talk about other countries, so they have this kind of culture. The students are going to their home and they are doing their task at their own.
Correct.
No one is helping them.
Exactly.
Because that is the culture over there.
Yes.
Then only they are self-dependent.
That's built with time. Correct.
So it will take time. But of course, these things are good for our education system. And of course, this is the good lesson for our generation also.
Okay, so we have today only heard, ma'am, a news that the Education Minister of India, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, has resigned. Do you think कि उनके resignation से पूरी Indian education system की problem solve हो जाएगी? What's your take on that?
I'm not in this favor. I'm not in this favor. Because we all are human beings. Yes, of course. Earlier also been like this.
Paper leaks were always there, yes.
Always there.
Correct.
But this kind of decision cannot change the Indian education system.
Yeah.
Because system is not running by single hand.
Exactly.
System is system.
Yes. True.
There
so many hands are there.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes. System is system.
Correct. So there are reform changes that needs to be done.
Yes.
Yes.
They need to be done.
Okay. Ma'am, I would like to ask you, who has been the greatest inspiration in your life so far? Like one that you will always and always remember and admire.
Okay. My first teacher, I have discussed earlier also. She has given me the inspiration for my life and for my personal growth also.
Okay.
Yes. She has been taking care of mine as a mother
Okay.
for few things. Actually, I lost my father before, so many years ago, before a long time. So then she met with me and she guided me in every aspect that you can go with this. And of course, I said that my mother is the good inspiration and she will be inspiration of me in my whole life. Because she was not educated. She was homemaker. And we are 4 siblings. And all 4 siblings are on good note, are on good path. And this is just because of my mother. Because she always adopted the method of honesty, the method of working, and the method of patience. By the shortcut, we cannot achieve anything.
True.
We have to go on the straight path with our vision and with our process. But it has been possible if we have our own intuition within ourselves.
Very true. That's what the role of good parenting is.
Yes.
And that's how it shapes a child's
Child
personality,
personality.
at
Yes,
last,
of
right?
course, of course. Yes,
True.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, anyone advice that you would like to pass on to your every student who's watching this podcast?
Okay, nowadays, as a student, they are not focusing on their routine. This is the good habit actually, because I work on myself also. What is my routine? If I'll not follow the routine on a constant manner, I will not be survive in the system. Whatever routine I have done for me, I have to be work constantly on daily basis on it. A student, a child have to maintain their routine on daily basis till the goal has not been achieved. Because attractions are
More.
every time.
Every time.
Every time.
And they're increasing.
Correct. Increasing. But they should not lose their focus. They should not forget about it. They should work constantly. And yes, of course, they have to maintain their time management.
Okay.
These 2 points were being there because yes, there are certain points. They have to do the respect, they have to do this. But as per my opinion, if a child is maintaining his or her routine on daily basis, it means they are self-disciplined. Those are self-disciplined. Nothing is there to guide them. Forgo,
Correct.
move.
Correct. They'll understand what's
They'll
right
understand-
and what's wrong on their own.
Yes. So this I have to give a lesson to my all students, all youngers even,
Okay.
and even I believe in it.
Okay.
I believe in it, and even I noticed one thing also, कि it should be there only. Whatever I am facing problem on my daily life, I should write my problem on daily basis. I can assure you, after 40 days, my problems will be zero. Whatever I am facing problem, I should write on my notes on daily basis. On daily basis, if I see 2-3 problems were there, not more than that, and the problems will repeat because I am not working on it.
Exactly.
That's only the problems are repeating.
Exactly.
If I write it on daily basis, after 40 days,
You'll see the
my
change.
all problems will be zero.
Or at least you'll have the mindset to tackle with them. Yeah.
Because the biggest challenge to problem solving is the people skill.
Very true.
Is the people skill.
And I think that can only be learned with time.
Time, yes, of course,
Right.
it will time.
So now we have a small segment with you to play, ma'am. That's a rapid fire segment. So you need to be very short and very crisp with your answers in this, right? So are you a tea person or a coffee person?
I'm a coffee person.
Okay. Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Okay. You sleep early in the night?
Yes. By 10 or 10:30, hardly it's been 11.
That's how you are so disciplined and that's how you teach discipline to students, right? Strict principal or friendly principal?
Somewhere strict, somewhere friendly.
I guess you need to be both.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Correct. Books or technology?
Books.
One subjects that you would love to teach today?
Business studies.
Okay. Pen or paper or digital notes? What do you support?
I believe on pen and paper.
One habit that every student should develop every day?
They have to maintain their routine, I guess.
And one habit that, the young students especially should drop immediately? social media?
Yes, of course, social media.
Yeah, because we were discussing
Yes.
on this, right? So on this note, ma'am, I would like to wrap up the discussion. It was such a lovely discussion with Manju ma'am, who has, who has described a complete understanding of how does a school principal work, how good leader, differentiates, creates the difference in the world, and how parenting has changed, how students' mindset has changed. So we have discussed and covered a lot of topics on this discussion. I really hope कि बहुत सारे students ये podcast को सुने और करेक्ट माइंडसेट अपने अंदर लेके आए, मंजू मैम की काउंसलिंग लें एंड जस्ट लिव अ गुड लाइफ, जस्ट लिव अ हैप्पी लाइफ. लाइफ इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड यू हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. सो येस, दैट्स अबाउट द डिस्कशन वी हैड टुडे. आपसे मिलेंगे हम अपने नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में. तब तक के लिए अपना खूब ध्यान रखिएगा, पढ़िएगा, सोशल मीडिया पर ज़्यादा एक्टिव मत रहिएगा. दैट्स इट फॉर द डिस्कशन. आपसे मिलेंगे हम अपने नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन में. थैंक यू. टेक केयर.